Kyleu now, driving on what's called the Car Laughter Road. You can see the sign coming into view. Just going to drive down this road, get to the entrance. You go through a gate, but it's just for the reception, and then you drive out the other side into the Unfenced campsite. There's the gate, it's open. Okay, Dinokeng Game Reserve and Kyleu Bush Camp. This is the little road in. It's a circular road that goes around. You'll see no fences. We came through a fence where reception is, and then out the other side again into the unfenced bush camp area. So that's the road out. And this is our site here. We're at number 9. Very nice. Huge site. You'll see there's the car, the trailer, the solar panel, everything. There's a little bit of grass, but it's a bush camp, so grass is not expected. Ablution facilities are over there, and there's quite a big area on this side that's still available. My brother's coming in later on with his invader. They'll be camping over there somewhere. So sounds like a buck coming past. There is something running in the bush. Let's see. Can't see it, but I can hear it. They do have a little shop. You can get wood and you can get ice on a daily basis. Also, they give you 1 bag of wood per day at the site, which is very nice. There's a fire pit and a braai. The braai is quite nice because you can move it around, put it anywhere you want to on your site. Tree, we have got one small tree. Our solar panel, there's no electric power at Kyleu Bush Camp, so you have to have solar panels. Right. So this is the private ablution facility at Kyleu. This is the entrance. Over here is the gas geyser, which has been preset. It supplies lovely hot water. Scullery area for washing dishes, etc. Go inside. Inside is the toilet, flush toilet, a basin for doing your teeth and everything else you need to do. A nice, lovely mirror on the side. And over here is a fantastic shower. Really is good. Hot water. And the nice thing is it's open at the top. So while you're having a shower, you can have a look around and see if there's any animals on the outside. Don't forget it's unfenced, so there could be anything roaming around. Really could be. So that's the ablution facilities. Rubbish bin for all your rubbish. And then on the outside, there's a fire hose reel as well, just in case it's needed. So you can see it's open at the top. We're in site number 9. Okay, you can see the animals do come through. There's an animal dung here. There's a path, or what they call it, scat, is it? There's a path through here. Animals do come. I did hear something a little while ago while I was filming earlier, but it is unfenced, so the animals do come through. Last time we were here, we heard a whole herd of elephants in the bush at night, but unfortunately we couldn't see them. Hopefully this time we will have some. It's quite a big tree. Very nice at Kyleu. The dirt road in is also not too bad at all. It's a little bit more corrugated than it was, but it's fine. Oh, sorry, leaving Kyleu, which is in Dinokeng.